What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to be talking about how to get your money through YouTube. I've made a video about this before on how you get ad time watch hours. So watching those ads is really how you get paid. Welcome, everybody. My name is Carla from Teaching Trends. This video has been recommended by Perryville and Miss Judy Key. Wanted to give you some tips on how to make sure people are watching your ads. Now, I'm going to show you one of two things. There's certain videos where you really can't skip it. Your video has to be a certain length, but I'm going to show you how you can actually do this. So let's see on one of my videos, I want to click on it and I want to make sure that everything about my video looks right. Then I want to check out the monetization on my video. So if you're looking at your video, you're going to click on the $ that says monetization. Once you get there, there are a couple of things. There's display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards. So maybe you can create a card that is geared towards your content, or maybe you've paid for a Google ad or a VFly ad or an ad where you've advertising a service or business and you want that to be the actual ad that people watch. And what do you know? Right down here, skippable video ads if you want people to skip, and non-skippable ads. When you click on the non-skippable ad, you have before video and during video. So you can select whether you want it before the video rolls to watch the ad, during the video, or after the video. And what do you know? You can even manage the mid rolls, meaning at what point in the video a commercial or ad plays. Maybe there's a really good point you want to make, and then you want to put a commercial right in the middle or an ad, and then that person can kind of meet back at your content. So this is going to be one of those things that you could use for your channel. Now, as I said earlier, you can't skip ads on all videos. They have to be a certain length. So if I were to go to this video that's 2 minutes long and I select the monetization on, maybe I want to look at how my video is monetized. So for this one, it says display ads, overlay, sponsored. So if I go here and click on skippable ads, it'll tell me below only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during video. So your video does have to be 8 minutes or longer to put those skippable ads in there. And remember, you can place ads in the middle, at the beginning, because we all know that ads is how we make our revenue, how we make our money. If you want to see how ads are important to making your money, check this video out right here at this thumbnail.